how to save a route on Google Maps. If you want to save a route on your Google Maps, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google Maps. And after opening, now you need to just go and search for a route. Like, for example, I'll just search for something. Now you need to tap on directions. And under directions, you need to select your start location and the end location. Now you will have the direction right here. So once you have your direction, what you need to do is go with the top right, which has that 3 dots. And from there, here you will have an option of add route to home screen. Tap on it, and a shortcut to this route was added to your home screen. Now you need to go back and you need to check your home screen. And as you can see, that the route is right here. If you tap on the route, you'll be able to start your...
You're back online. You're on the fastest route. You should reach your destination by 2:55 p.m.
So as you can see that you will have your route right here. So that's how you can save a route on your Google Maps. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.